This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You now start by confirming essentials, device model, OS, and whether you have router or carrier access, because those determine where daily data lives. Once ready, connect to the network you want measured and temporarily disable VPN, otherwise counts may split. Next, open settings and go straight to network or data usage. This is where daily counters appear. Make sure to pick the correct SIM or Wi-Fi interface so you don't mix cellular. Once in the data usage screen, change the view to daily and align the date range to the day or billing cycle you need, because weekly views hide spikes. Tap any app or client to drill down. You'll see daily byte counts and timestamps that explain when spikes occurred. If you need network-wide detail, log into your router or carrier portal and view per device daily logs. Export CSV if you want a spreadsheet for analysis. This shows who is consuming most data and why. To finish, reset the usage counter or set your billing cycle and enable alerts or caps so you get notified before overage. This prevents surprises. Once set, compare the device or router numbers to the carrier portal to confirm consistency, because small differences are normal but large gaps need attention. If you see unexpected discrepancies, reboot the router and devices, recheck VPN or tethering settings, and if the problem persists, contact your carrier with exported logs as evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.